on. Good morning, you guys.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back. We doing a breakfast video this morning for you guys.
Look who we got today.
Say hey, YouTube.
Hey.
So we doing breakfast this morning, y'all. We was been supposed to film this video for y'all, but hey, better late than never.
We finna do these.
So we trying these.
You see what it say? Epic. You know what I'm saying? E-P-I-C.
And we got to serve the match.
I'm finna E-A-T.
So yeah, y'all. So
all of I-T. All of it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So yeah, y'all. So we about to do this breakfast. We also got some grits and egg, sausage.
Gotta put the cheese in the
Gotta have the cheese.
You get the onion and the diced potato.
And jalapenos. He like jalapenos in his. And I got some orange juice. And June want the milk or whatever. So we about to get ready for to get started. Once we start, we gonna mix up our pancake mix, and we gonna mix up our eggs and stuff like that. And once we do that, then we coming back. All right? You ready to get the party started?
So look, y'all, check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
Check this out.
Boy, I was today. Oh, you know, I just made 31.
Today is
like 72 hours ago. Let me see, today's Sunday when about 96 hours ago. But anyway, that ain't the point.
Today is Thursday.
Look, man, I just noticed that you can open the saucer like this.
Yeah, y'all got excuse say.
31. I just noticed that, dog.
It's just 31.
Come on, man. Like, come on, bro. That's my mini me right here. Look, my mini me. You know we. You know what I'm saying? We like peas in the pot.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, ski.
Yes,
He said, yes, sir. I said, yes, sir, ski.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check us out, boy.
Daddy, not see those.
No.
Look, he want to see.
You want to see?
Yeah, June want to see everything.
Alright, she got the water boiling. You know what I'm saying?
I'm about to boil it now. I had to turn around. I started to do that when he talked to me about these, and it was just baffled to me that he didn't know that. You know.
Put the flick in the wrist.
He didn't like to do the flicking of the wrist today, y'all.
You know what I'm saying? Put the wrist to work. You did.
2 months though.
2 months sauce.
I got 2 months though.
You know what I'm saying?
I got 2 months though.
Y'all heard June say I got 2 months sauce.
I got 2 months sauce.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Papa, eat the last sauce. Hey, you like it?
Can't forget the eggs. You did. Nigga love eggs. You know what I'm saying? Eggs gonna make your. Oh.
Ew.
These the one we cooking though. You know, you just two. You know what I'm saying? Two. No, your mom. Throw this away. That's what you want. You got the eggs. What you want?
I want
Like the saucios.
I want those.
You want butter. Y'all just tell him grab a little knife and scrape his teeth. That's all he needs.
Say stop playing with me.
No.
That's my boy.
He ain't gonna never look. He ain't gonna never. But let's tell him to me. He gonna say it.
All right. So you want me to crack the egg?
Yeah. So while to crack the egg.
Oh no, you gotta do your YouTube thing. I mean,
Oh y'all, I'm doing 2 content. So excuse me. I'm doing TikTok. I'm trying to get the bag. I'm doing TikTok and Reels. So
y'all really getting a real life behind the scenes. Yeah. And look, like a couple videos, and daddy from the day, ooh, J baby, I'm gonna get on your ass. But look, just like we talked about a couple videos ago, we say the same shit a lot.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? For real.
Alright, so I'm about to start this. We're gonna stop. We gonna have to go get. We gonna have to turn out for the week.
You turn off anyway because y'all don't need to see what you do behind the scenes.
This kind of stuff that I deal with. Y'all see this? Like that don't make no sense.
Yeah, every sip.
No, you gonna let me get dirty.
No, I'm gonna clean you actually.
You go clean.
Protect
You scary?
Yeah. I want my dad.
Just say this.
Oh, you finna do show this?
Yeah. So this gonna be y'all. Like I said, we doing 2 different things at one time. So y'all was getting the exclusive.
Yeah, she trying to show y'all how she work.
All right, babe. So you go ahead and start cracking the eggs, and I'm
Me and my dad.
Me and my dad gonna crack some eggs.
Dad, I crack some eggs. Dad, I crack eggs.
Dad don't even know how to crack eggs.
Me too. I'm gonna do that too. Give me. I'm gonna do how to do it too.
You wanna crack an egg, bro?
Now let's see y'all. Woo!
That's right, though.
Oh, he did it, y'all. Yeah.
Because that they got phone me.
We gotta get you a stool for the kitchen if you're gonna be in here with us.
Oh, yeah, he about to be my cooking buddy, dog. Gotta wash your hand, go wash your
Yeah, I always cook my eggs last. I feel like this.
Bobo cook his eggs.
He on his scooter if y'all don't know what the hell he's bumping up
so
against.
good.
So I cook my eggs last because, you know, I feel like this is the right way to do it.
Dad, you did it.
If you do it another way, just comment down below and let me know.
Yes.
He talking about say, y'all, when Junior wants somebody to say, agree with him or say what he say, he be saying, say yes. Like, you don't tell nobody to say yeah, they say yeah if they want to.
Let's say y'all mama too.
See?
I'm the age one to do, baby.
Hey, Dad, I will cry.
How many that is? 7?
So we gonna do
We do like 9.
Yeah, have it on.
Cause Junior eat a lot of eggs and so do Caroline.
Yeah. I want my shooter. And I get party started.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you know we done
Yeah. And we always, y'all, we clean as we go. So the kids are already clean or whatnot, but yeah, we clean as we go because when we be done, we be trying to sit down and eat.
Oh God, on team out.
Hey,
I'm about to step out.
Zemo. Oh,
Yo, Zeus said oh, 0.
Gmo.
Oh, Zemo.
He said it wrong though.
So we got whipped peas.
Yes, and Boba got cheese. Yes, and Boba got cheese.
Eggs. I should put some eggs in. Put some salt, pepper.
Oh! Let's get it down.
Little seasoning.
Don't make it together. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Oh, you didn't give me record this on your video.
Daddy, let me see it. Daddy, let me see.
Yeah, excuse me.
Daddy, let me see.
I want to get all the content.
Daddy, let me see.
Go.
Dad, I want to help you. Dad, I want to help you. Dad, I want to hurt you. Dad, I want to hurt you.
He sound like we got it on repeat. I want to help you. Oh, let me call him for it. Everything he say to do, he be doing. You gotta whip it, man. You gotta grip it better than that.
Yeah, underhand it. So let your mama show you.
Like that.
Now go. Do it.
He just holding. He holding it wrong, y'all.
This is first time. This is first time doing it, y'all. This is first time in the kitchen with us, y'all.
Yeah, cause Junior, y'all gotta know
good.
Junior.
Good job, Junior. Good job. That's it. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah, today I did it.
He said, y'all, today I did it.
Okay, Dad, put that thing before.
Put this over there. There's our eggs. Put your eggs
And
up.
that's those eggs.
Y'all guys throw away
Put
the
your eggs up.
shells. He can do that.
Yeah, come on.
Get off the scooter.
You know, we really country, like, we country, so y'all, like, don't mind us, like, so let, we leave the eggshell in there.
Yeah.
Dog. We country. Now put this up, bro. Please.
Now let's go.
Welcome to Baton Rouge.
Alrighty. Put it on top of the other one.
Nah, this is my favorite part right here, y'all. The pancakes. You
And
understand
I'm
me?
gonna give y'all I hate doing pancakes. Yes, Caroline.
I do my pancakes.
I know.
But so he gonna take over today with the pancakes.
I might go wake my baby up. She gonna do
I
pancakes.
cannot stand doing
I'm
pancakes,
on
y'all.
God, cause real talk, like, for real, y'all, like, she do the best pancakes.
Yes, she do.
I ain't gonna even sit up here and lie.
I
Like,
like
for real,
pancakes.
for real.
She say, oh, if
12
you
years
follow me
old, and
on
she do
Instagram,
straight pancakes.
yeah, she do breakfast really good, period.
Matter
though.
of fact, so y'all, look, check this out. I had to go, you know what I'm saying? She was having a beauty rest, so you know I had to go. You know what I'm saying? But she agreed, she agreed.
You got banana. Now watch out.
Come on.
You get out the hold on, baby. Put my stuff in there.
Mommy, watch out.
Y'all, I'm not scared of it.
I am.
Get to the air.
Oh, now last time I did grease, them would have burned me. Remember?
That ain't not for me.
No.
Maya, what?
Good morning.
Good morning, Maya. Maya, you want to get the party started?
He asked everybody
Say y'all, look, check this out. She'll be like,
I don't like when, look, I ain't nothing but come out.
We heard too much shaking, man. Tell her, Drew. Say, mother, you can.
Dad, pick me up.
See, look. See, she don't realize, y'all.
Dad, pick me up.
She got them heavy hands, bro.
No, I don't.
Dad, pick me up.
Y'all, she got heavy hands, y'all.
Dad, pick me up.
You don't want no problem.
Pick me up, Daddy.
She slapped the piss out you.
That's what I'm saying.
Look, she just slapped the piss out you, yeah, man. You
Me?
know, them hands heavy.
You talk about me?
Nobody slap you, boss. Nobody.
Nobody not gonna slap me. I gonna punch them.
And what gonna happen? If they slap you, what gonna happen, bro?
And I gonna punch them.
Yeah.
I gonna punch them in them.
Oh!
Get out here, dog. That's my junior, bro.
Oh my God, man.
Oh, God, you gotta bleep you. Are you gonna beat it out? Man. This dude here. You gotta turn up. He said let's get this party started, so let's get it started.
Man, this dude.
Come on, son.
You still separating the meat.
Come here, you wanna separate the meat? Don't worry about it. It ain't happening anymore, bro. There you go, y'all. Get your scooter so you get your iPad. Come on. See, like him and my niece, bro, I promise, like they can do anything and I'm still gonna fall for him. Aaron, real talk. You know that, huh?
Yes, I know that.
See?
I like those. Oh, it got 2 more.
Yeah, this.
It got 2 more.
I'm the size one, you care? 8.
Oh, Daddy. It got lemon. Daddy, it got all those.
So we're doing 2.5 packs, all right?
Yeah. We're gonna 2 packs.
2.5.
2 packs?
2.
Yes.
And you take 1, 2, 3 and put it on top of the.
1, 2, 3.
Put it on top of the. No, just take 3. Get you 1. No, get it. Yeah.
No, I can't get it.
Yes, you could. Don't say what you can't do.
Do that.
See?
Yay! I
Put it
got
right
it.
there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, Daddy, am I get that one?
Yeah. I ain't lying, you guys. He's slow as molasses.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Yeah.
Okay, and another one.
One more.
Yeah, one more.
One more.
One more.
One more, Ski.
Yeah, yes, one more, see? Okay, Daddy, I go get another one.
Nope.
They said do me. I own YouTube channel.
Daddy, I get another one. Okay, the another one.
No.
I think I'm gonna do it, baby.
Okay, Daddy, I
We
get
gonna back
another one.
and let him review the toys.
Okay, y'all.
He watching people doing
Okay, y'all. Daddy, me and my
Y'all.
daddy go pit party started.
What he heard that at before?
And the money party started.
I was just getting real close.
Yeah. They gonna do Sheen House, cause they got, oh yeah.
Go Power Ranger, Power
Look, it's
Ranger.
out. Y'all will not hear this.
Go
Oh,
Power
God.
Ranger, go Power Ranger.
Oh yeah.
So look, put your sausages up, son.
Okay,
We'll talk about
get
that.
this sauce up.
Oh, look, you got the video with the sausages? You got the video with the sausages?
I was gonna
Daddy, give me. Okay, give. I'm big.
just pick up.
Daddy, I'm big. So, Daddy, okay, yeah.
Pressure grits.
Mom, Daddy.
Check out. All right, now look, check this out, son.
Yeah.
We got, look, y'all, we got all the, you know what I'm saying, all the mountain of sausages he picked
Yeah.
out. We got the egg-alicious, you know what I'm saying, the eggs, yeah, with the egg.
Yay!
Now we finna really whip up,
Daddy, I cut that one.
That boy,
Daddy,
that
I cut that
yeah,
one.
man, big monster, bro. I gotta get back in the gym, y'all. You know what I'm saying, I been eating meals, but my wife,
Yeah, boy.
you gotta get in that gym, but I been
Yeah, but we get that party started.
Y'all, I don't know what June heard this party started stuff at, But that's all he been saying, and it's tripping me out. Cause where he learned it? We gotta get this party started. Where you learned it? On YouTube?
Okay, y'all. If I want to get a party started, okay, Daddy, I get it.
Sirski on Timo. All right, y'all, we back. You know what I'm saying? So look, check this out. She doing it, but look, this is just a preview of one. This how it look.
Caramel, make your appearance. Y'all, Caramel, before the camera went dead, Caramel was in there getting ready for that.
I had to do my hair.
Yeah, I can't feel.
There, go like that. Oh, that's so good. Oh. Oh, that's who wants to eat this. Oh, that's so good.
She's showing out.
Oh my
Oh, this showing
god.
out.
Did I eat stuff with something?
She's showing out, dog.
I always, make sure I was just on the
Yeah, man. Big Betty Tater. I got wait again, man.
No, you want to try stuff.
Yeah, you don't live one.
It's gonna be me and Bug trying stuff because everybody gonna wait on her.
Yeah, I'm not going to die.
For real, me and Bug gonna be on
No,
this.
for real. I'm not
Mom
that
said for real this time.
big. I was
Yeah, I'm talking about last time that we had that.
I didn't.
Oh,
No, they didn't.
we found daddy, we had names.
Hey, gotta say that from the camera.
It's a beautiful day. Thank you for joy.
Put it on.
It's hot.
Yeah, hi. And why you gotta go to the park? Excuse me.
You go to the bathroom?
Yes, sir. Excuse me.
Oh my
Go to
god.
your mom's bathroom.
Don't get mad at me.
You go put the eggs in
I ain't the one told you my name was
Okay.
something else. How? Yeah. Katie can't say Buddha June the right way without him going. I don't want to pick up the camera, but I don't feel like him going over here mad, peeping his Katie around the corner.
What happened? What happened?
You corrected him about your name. I told him you can't say boo to him. Turn it down. Bud must make say turn my stuff up. Oh baby. My phone. Clean as we go.
I need socks too.
Okay. What you want now? Alright. Look, oh, I got peppermint stick.
Ow! Daddy, you let me get too much. Ow!
Look at the flick of my wrist. Look at the flick of my wrist. Here we up in a little bit.
I just told her, I said, you get this to flip.
Go ahead. You fast? Go ahead. Aha. Go put it up.
Run it over, please.
Come on, see.
That is. No, I would.
Yeah.
Was it hard?
No, but I think because you turned the
Fire. You took the fire. Oh, feel it. Brother. I mean, your fire needs to be right there.
clean water.
Oh, you biscuits. Oh, God. Pretty. Scrumptious. Smell about.
Why y'all know what really happened all the time?
What?
Let me see.
We gotta get some
Mittens.
Yeah. I thought we had mittens in them. Like what? Let's keep the book. What? But it's good. It should have been ice cream.
Oh, she got a new song on it?
Nah, it's called.
I thought she gonna be a
Golden brown.
Mama, she got boo-boo song.
I still ain't never heard the whole Blink song.
It's on that World Star stuff. Like what? Let's keep
There
the
you go.
book. It's done?
Yeah. Mango.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man. You talking like you? You know how much?
Yeah, she gotta make her. Daddy, you picking them up? Oh, Daddy, you that man. Daddy, get your child. Y'all, please get y'all son. He tearing my ankles up. He tearing my ankles up over here.
Go right in the...
Like what? Let's keep it up. Well, I don't know how big y'all want these stockings.
Got more to come. Then we can run a tank of it.
Now, hey family, now who's one of y'all going to flip this?
That's easy for you to flip around. I told you to make it small for a reason.
They have water on.
I'm looking for a yellow phone, long hair star, 16 and hip come get in my I'm gonna be busting.
Don't put your hands on them.
Don't put your hands on me no more.
Turn on the ASMR.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, Slime. Don't worry about it, okay?
You gonna get him.
Man, I gotta answer no more because this is too. Let's get him.
No, I care, Mom.
What's that, Ernest? Alright, come on, Dad. Gotta get at the bottom.
I know, you can do that while I do that.
No, Mommy, you got big nails.
And if you wonder if I hate you, fuck. The feeling I get make me feel just like this. What I would do to make me feel just like this. Whatever I do if I didn't have food. Ooh.
She's so excited. What are you talking about, man?
Scary. What do I do to make me feel just like this? Oh, my ass.
Come on.
Chill out.
Dude, you're the reason I was right though.
Chill out.
Chill out, man.
That's how you ball head now.
Shit. I mean, shoot.
Please.
You gotta bleep this, because it's like
Definitely gonna have to be bleeding. Shit, man. That's every time.
That's you, Mom.
Joan!
What?
Yes, sir!
Oh,
Good name.
Y'all seen that? I'm burning my damn self.
Baby Julia.
Big Ray, they lasted all 5 minutes. Ooh. Y'all heard Zoom say big monster. Big monster.
What? Daddy.
And if you want it, ooh.
Hold on, dog. I'll check them out. Check them out, y'all.
Hey, I know them pancakes go from Prussia.
Man, this gonna be
And it got the serve to go with it.
Oh, yeah, look.
Mama.
Look, he can do it.
Big monster. Check them serve. Big monster. We can do 2 at a time. Everybody gonna do 2. I'm eating 1.
My dad said he gonna saw you. And my dad said he gonna saw you.
Go to what?
Mayu.
I heard you.
What my name? Daddy, what my name? What my name?
Alright, y'all. So we finally done.
You know what I'm saying? Check it out, y'all. We finna eat, you hear me?
Yeah, so I'ma plate it up real nice.
There you go.
Real nice. And then I'ma present it to y'all, and then we're gonna end this video because this video went well over the
Hour,
time.
dog. Like, we is hungry. Look, and the camera finna go dead. That's how long we've been recording. We finna eat, though. It's well worth it.
You took it off the charge. 1 second, y'all. Alright, y'all. So this the finished product: cheese grits, sausage, egg, and the cinnamon roll. Pancakes with the cinnamon, the syrup, and the cream cheese. Alright, y'all. So he about to taste some. And then we gonna end it off so we can eat because we've been.
You know what I'm saying? Taste what, the pancake?
Yep.
That's it, y'all. That's in my prayer. Black.
Good. Alright, y'all. Where you going? Alright, y'all. So we about to end this off.
It's great.
Happy Sunday. And that's it. What you say, June?
My last big breath right here. You ain't going big. You ain't going
Alright, babe. Close it out.
Gmo. You know what I'm saying?